So it becomes sine C, that is opposite side upon hypotenuse. So opposite to C is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Next is cos C. Now cos C will be adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent matlab बाजू वाला side. So बाजू वाला is BC upon hypotenuse is AC. The last term is tan C. The last term is tan C, that is opposite side upon adjacent side. And I've already told you opposite is AB and adjacent is BC. So with this, we'll start with practice exercise 8.1. So the first question is, in the figure, angle R is the right angle of triangle PQR, and you have to write the following ratios, that is sin P, cos Q, tan P and tan Q. So let's start with the first one, sin P. So as I told you, sin P is opposite side upon hypotenuse, so opposite side is QR upon PQ. So therefore, considering P, opposite will be QR upon PQ. Second is cos Q. Now remember, the angle is changed to Q, so it is cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So considering adjacent for Q side, it will be QR upon PQ. The third one is tan P. Again, you have to consider P side. So it is opposite upon adjacent. Opposite to P is QR and adjacent is PR. Last one is tan Q. Again, we said tan is opposite upon adjacent. So this time Q is a side, and you can see I've marked it the true arrow. Opposite side is PR. So adjacent becomes 1. So tan Q is PR upon QR. In the second question, in the right angle triangle XYZ, angle XYZ is 90 degrees. So you can see I've marked opposite 90 hypotenuse already in the diagram. And the values are given as A, B and C. These are the lengths of the sides of the as shown in the figure. So we have to find the ratios, sin X, tan Z, cos X and tan X. So we're going to start with the first one, that is sin X. So we'll start with the first one, that is sin X. As we have already discussed, sin X is opposite upon hypotenuse. So opposite of X side is YZ and hypotenuse is XZ. So YZ is given A, hypotenuse is C. So sin X will be A upon C. Second one is tan Z. Tan is opposite upon adjacent. So taking Z into consideration, opposite is XY and adjacent is YZ. The lengths are given as B and A. So tan Z will be B upon A. Third one is cos X. Again, we have to rate it with this sign. So as we know, cos X is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So considering X, adjacent is XY. XY is given as B. And YZ is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is given as C. So cos X will be B upon C. Okay, the fourth one is tan X. Again, we know tan is opposite upon adjacent. So you have to consider X side. So X का opposite है YZ upon adjacent side है XY. So it is A upon B. So therefore tan X is A upon B. Start with the third sum. In a right angle triangle LMN. Angle LMN is 90 degrees, angle L is 50 degrees and angle N is 40 degrees. Write the following ratios, sin 50, cos 50, tan 40, cos 40. So this is the triangle and we're going to start with the solution. That's the first one, sin 50. So sin 50 is opposite upon hypotenuse. So as I told you, sin is opposite for 50 degrees is Mn and hypotenuse is Ln. So sin 50 will be Mn upon Ln. Cos 50 is adjacent upon hypotenuse, that is Ln upon Ln. So cos 50 will be Ln upon Ln. Third one is tan 40, that is opposite upon adjacent. So opposite to 40 now is Ln and adjacent is Mn. Is Ln upon Ln. The last one cos 40, again cos in case of 40 angle we have to see adjacent is Mn and hypotenuse is Ln. So cos 40 is Mn upon Ln. Here's the fourth sum. In the figure, angle PQR is 90, angle PQS QS is 90 again. PRQ is alpha and QPS is theta. Write the following trigonometric ratios. You have to find 1 and 2. Two questions are given. So I am starting the first one first. That is sin alpha, cos alpha and tan alpha. So first we are going to start with sin alpha. We know sin is opposite upon hypotenuse. So opposite of alpha I have marked with arrow. That is PQ and hypotenuse is PR. So sin alpha will be PQ upon PR. Next is cos alpha, adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent मतलब बाजू वाला. In considering for alpha angle, the adjacent is QR and hypotenuse is PR. So cos alpha will be QR upon PR. And last is tan alpha. Again opposite upon adjacent, so that is PQ upon RQ. So tan alpha will be PQ upon RQ. So for the second part, we are going to consider the next triangle PQS. Okay, जिसमें PQS is 90 and we are going to consider the theta angle. So sin theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite side is QS and hypotenuse is PS. So sin theta will be QS upon PS. Cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse, that is PQ upon PS. So cos theta is PQ upon PS. And tan theta is opposite upon adjacent, that is QS upon PQ. Therefore tan theta is QS upon PQ. I hope you have understood this 8.1. All for today, students. If you have any doubts, do ask me in comment section. I will try and answer in my next video. Okay, take care. Thank you for watching.